Hi, I'm PV. Today we are going very important topic about AWS overview. So we are going about AWS security, identity, and compliance. So there is a five pillar. First one is IAM. Second one is detective control. Third one is informative production. Fourth is data production. Fifth is incident response, and last one is compliance. So we are going here to talk about IAM, Identity Access Management, Cognition, Inspector, Macie, Certificates Manager, Cloud, HSMHardware Security Module, then Directory Service, then WAF, which is Web Application Firewall, then Sealed, then Advanced Sealed, and Artifacts. So these are very important parts of AWS security. So if you see, this is the picture. This one has all five pillars. So let's talk about the security, identity, and compliance. So these are primary pillars of operating AWS safe and secure way. Let's look into each of these pillars. So IAM, it's allow you to manage user and their level of access to the AWS resource. So basically is used to do control for ACL. Then Cognition, it is used for device authentication. Like when you log in, you need to also device authentication or using your phone or something. This service provides user and user temporary access to AWS resource. Image, you have app that lets user upload a picture onto S3. You can do this using the cognito. Guard duty, it's used for monitor malicious activity on your AWS account, so it keep watching of you. The inspector, it's a agent installed on a virtual machine. You can run test security vulnerabilities etc. The Macie, it's used for check your entire suite application personality identify information. It's a security service that uses machine learning to automatically discover the classify and product sensitive data in AWS like PII, personal information. Then Amazon misses sensitive data such as personal PII or intellectual property or provide you to dashboards alerts, give the visibility onto how data being accessed or moved. Fully managed service, continuous monitor data access activity for abnormal uses. Next one is certificate manager. It's used to give certificate to domain you have registered via AWS route F3. Then cloud HSM hardware security module. It is dedicated hardware to store your hardware private public key that are used for securely access your application EC2 instances. You can also store a variety of exception keys. Directory service, it's used to integrating your Microsoft Active Directory service with AWS service. The next important part is WAF, which is called Web Application Firewall. For WAF, site in front of your web server and mitigate against the injection, cross scripting, and WAF primarily protect your application layers. Then sealed. So sealed is you just get default your load balancer, CloudFront, and as a route 5.3. This is basically a DDoS mitigation service that prevent DDoS attack. Advanced sealed and artifacts. So it's a advanced sealed. It's a AWS team that is a standby mode in case of DOS attack. If you have advanced sealed protection, then AWS will not change your for any auto scaling or edit utilization of AWS service during the attack. Artifacts, it's used for compliance and auditing purpose. Artifacts give you AWS SOC 123 PCI report etc. central resources compliance related to information. So that's all. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.